Greetings, esteemed reader. Why waste time troubleshooting your computer when it won't switch on? Instead, try this simple but unusual trick. Disconnect your computer and hold down the power button for 30 seconds. This will drain any remaining electricity and may occasionally reset the system. If that doesn't work, ensure your power source is plugged in and operational. If all else fails, it may be time to seek professional assistance. Don't worry about a computer problem that is out of your hands. Be sure to like this video. More in store. To like.